Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this morph transition and animated PowerPoint infographic in just 2 minutes. Plus you can get this template for free from the link in the description below, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna open up a blank slide, go to shapes and insert around a corner rectangle, and then we're just gonna change its height and width to equal, and then duplicate it using control and drag it again using control, and make 4 copies. And next what you're gonna do is make these two rounded, and for the other 2 rectangles we have to not to make them fully rounded. Next we are going to fragment them and remove the side rounded corner, and we have to merge all of the other shapes remain. Now let's give them a gradient and a shadow as well. There we go. Yes, so it's done now. What you have to do is give it some different and duplicate it about 6 times. Place them next to each other. Here we go. Now let's duplicate the slide, and we are just going to move these shapes back like this. Yeah, perfect. Place them back like this. And after applying the morph transition to both of the slides, this is the final result. Make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can get this template for free from the link in the description below.